This is the Hello World podcast, where we talk about habits of success, habits of excellence, entrepreneurship, leadership, learning and development, and outlook that will help us succeed through life. This is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Trainer of Learning Just Made Better, or LJMB. It also occurs to me now that when you mention the how, some leaders overdo themselves naman on the how, which is also something that people don't like to experience. Being micromanaged, a lot of leaders, talagang lahat siguro ng detalye ng how, kinontrol na.
So I have refrained from doing that. It's tempting. It's tempting, really tempting to try to do that. Again, what I've learned is understand the few things that create the biggest impact. Yun lang yung tutukan mo, not everything.
Okay.
Sometimes people have a tendency to try to make tutok everything simply because they cannot identify the few things that will generate the results.
Okay.
But if you're able to identify that, and then yun lang ang tinututukan mo, people don't think you're on their backs because you're only asking a few things. You're not asking everything. But what they don't know is that you understand that these are the only few things that will get me the results I wanted. I don't need to know about everything.
Okay. What you're saying is really just so simple. Yet it's also an big aha moment for me. No? Kaya pala, leaders would tend to micromanage and focus on even the small stuff. Sabi nga nila, don't sweat on the small stuff.
Yes.
But leaders end up doing that because, as you put it beautifully there, they don't know what matters most.
Yes. Okay. And I've seen that, even kami in senior management. That's our biggest mistake when we do planning, when we do strategy. We just list down everything.
Okay.
And then we don't spend time enough to identify ano ba talaga doon sa listahan yun na pag ginawa natin gets you 50%, 20%, whatever percent of the results. And then the others, ilang percent lang yun. Kung maliit lang yun, wag na natin gawin yun. Total, maliit lang yun eh. So we don't spend enough time. What most people like to do is create nice documents with so many things listed, and so when you make presentation to senior management, wow, akala nila, ang galing-galing, ang daming sinulat. Pero at the end of the day, you can't do everything.
Okay. This is Louis Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.